We had a very interesting set of results for 2014. It contains two components. Firstly, our discontinued operations, which relate to the business of Standard Bank PLC, which we disposed of at the end of January to ICBC. This business, unfortunately, incurred a loss of over 4 billion rand, given the very difficult situation we had in China relating to aluminium. Our continuing businesses actually had a fantastic year. We managed to increase headline earnings in our continuing businesses by 20%, with a very, very strong growth in all of our revenue categories right across the board. A very strong performer for us this year has been our business in Africa, which managed to grow headline earnings by 41% compared to a year ago and ended up with a net headline earnings number of just below 5 billion rand. Looking at the year ahead, for us in South Africa, we all understand the market here quite well, and it's clearly a very cautious year ahead with some complexities and then some upside as a result of the much reduced price of oil in the country. A sanguine year. For our businesses in Africa, again, it is a mixed bag. For the oil exporting companies, particularly in West Africa, that have grown very strongly, one has to be very careful of the macroeconomic situation in those countries, and we remain very cognizant of that. On the other hand, the East African economies, mostly oil importing, clearly will benefit from the lower price of oil and hence lower inflation and lower interest rates, which all will augur very well for consumerism in East Africa.